All right, when it comes to a Batten system, we have some different options. First, you can go ahead and take just a 2x2, put that right to the decking. We have a counter batten bat system where you take a 1x4 and put it on your rafter, then put the 2x2 on top here. Or the option we'll show here today is going to be our elevated batten system. So it's a 2x2 with a puck located every foot. We're going to go ahead and fasten down into that puck with a fastener or ring shank nail or exterior grit screw long enough to penetrate the structure 1 inch minimum. All three of the following steps are going to be the same. The front batten, we will need our top front nose even with my fascia. So we can take a straight edge and make sure that's going to stay nice and straight. Now the second batten, we're going to chalk the line. So we need a 1/2 inch overhang. So specific tile, it's a 14.5 inch exposure. So we're going to go ahead and chalk our line approximately 14 inches. You can go ahead and adjust that accordingly. So 14 inches is what we're going to be looking for. Chalk that line. Make sure you come into the middle after I'm done chalking that line. Measure that. Make sure that panel is going to fit in the middle. Make sure chalk line hasn't waved on us at all. And then we're going to go ahead and just take that second row batten, and we're going to bring it down where the front nose is right on our chalk line. And then we'll fasten in every puck. Then we're going to come back with our batten spacers. They come in a set of 2. And we're going to go ahead and hook that batten just like that. And bring that next batten down. Go ahead and fasten that in each puck.